I have been so blown away by the latest demo of Mintbird, and it's so amazing. Having used loads of different software, I can see that the unique library systems that Chad uses in all his amazing software is mind-numbing tech, and he probably will be taking it on for Greatest Innovator in 2021. Chad Nicely and Perry Belcher have put together an awesome funnel builder which is unlike any other. The product is not tied to the funnel and the funnel is not tied to the product. The system is library based. All products are created and stored to a library and can be moved in and out of your funnel. So simple to use. No more starting from scratch when you want to build a funnel. Plus, because of the simplicity, you can build a funnel right from your mobile phone.
Just sat in on the Mintbird session and wow, what an amazing software. Libraries and logic is where it's at. It was so simple to make a funnel with the integration and logic. Super simple to make a funnel with libraries and logic is where it's at. Super simple to make a funnel with upsells, downsells and bump offers. This makes Samcart look like an old school cash register. GPT-3 and logic built in the integrations. The user-friendly interface takes the difficult and mundane and made it like in a BC 123. I have been struggling for so long, tried so many courses and mentors and coaches, and I have a hard drive full of size thousands and thousands of dollars only to be disappointed and feel like either I was too unclever to understand this or that I was taken advantage of with little to no results. Thank you Chad Nicely and Perry Belcher, you over-delivered and given me confidence for free that I couldn't pay for.
90% of all e-commerce marketers want to build a funnel. Mintbird is the only product that is easy to use by building OTO and bumps that are not tied to a single funnel. Everyone who sells online needs this. We will have a team of wonderful staff behind this mind-blowing product.
Mintbird is going to revolutionize the way you set up a sales funnel. It is going to be a buying funnel. The logic is cutting edge, and the possibilities with this software is going to change the way funnels are built, and I can see that the sales coming from these funnels are going to be so much higher than anything else out there. Next gen development. Chad and Perry, you rocked this one.
I just witnessed the most extraordinary software demonstration. It was awesome and so simple to use. A game changer for anyone that wants to build a funnel in 2 minutes. Looking forward to Mintbird being released soon.
This was a mind-blowing session. I needed to call an EMT to restart my heart after watching the demo of Mintbird. The ability to create funnels and how everything is integrated. It is so powerful. Setting up libraries and bump sales and so much more could not be easier. This is the greatest and amazing software. Hand down the best software of the year. Watch for it July 29th. Don't grab it fast.
Totally blown away by this amazing platform because of the huge amount of control and easy to implement processes. This is the very best I have seen. Funnels in 2 minutes is so very possible. Perry Belcher and Chad Nicely are taking the industry to its highest level yet.
This bootcamp training on the new Mintbird software was next level. Chad Nicely showed us exactly how any entrepreneur can easily and simply build an entire sales funnel from scratch in 2 minutes or less. That is going to change this industry moving forward because it has features that are AI focused, so more sales can be made to serve the right people because AI is being used to assess human behavior so they purchase more. What Chad and Perry Belcher have created is going to help millions of people by increasing business and therefore impacting lives massively. If you're an entrepreneur and business owner, you need to check it out ASAP.
This software is so amazing. The learning curve makes it the perfect tool in any person's toolbox. I will be making funnels and sales without any headaches and watching the money roll in. So excited to find this gem.
Mintbird, the shopping cart software that makes creating your sales funnels child's play. It's like building something with Lego. All the pieces you need fit together perfectly, and if you don't like something, you just take one piece off and add another, and everything still works perfectly. Amazing, few clicks and you can change everything. Perry Belcher and Chad Nicely are just genius.
What an amazing webinar. Mintbird is the shopping cart of the future. Rest in peace ClickFunnels and Samcart. The funnels that you can make in Mintbird are genius. You can do anything that you want. Make as many changes as you want. It's even newbie friendly with a 2-minute funnel setup. You can't go wrong. Best of all, Chad and Perry have your back. Thank you for this incredible opportunity to be able to trigger funnels for this incredible shopping cart. Oh, and there's an app too. Bonus.